Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do some questions on the thermodynamics. So, here comes our first question or example. 1 into 10 exponent 2 mole of an ideal gas at 3 multiplied 10 exponent 2 Kelvin temperature and 6 into 10 exponent 6 Pascal pressure occupies 4.6 into 10 exponent minus 2 meter cubic meter space. Initially calculate work done on gas and heat absorbed by gas if it undergoes expansion under following condition. Final volume and pressure are 0.832 meter cube and 3 into 10 exponent 5 pascal. A option isothermal reversible condition, B option isothermal irreversible condition. So let us see its solution. In an isothermal process of an ideal gas, delta U is always equal to 0 and Q is equal to minus W. So for first option, Q reversible equal minus W reversible equal minus 2.303 nRT log V1 upon V2, which is equal to 2.303 nRT log V2 upon V1. As we change the position of V1 V2, the sign of minus was originated, which cancels the other minus sign. And now by putting the value 2.303 multiply 1 into 10 exponent 2 multiply 8.314 into 3 into 10 exponent 2 multiply 0.832 upon 4.16 into 10 exponent 2. This is equal to 7.47 into 10 exponent 5 joule. And now its second part, Q irreversible equal minus W irreversible equal P ext bracket V2 minus V1 equal 3 into 10 exponent 5 bracket 0.3832 minus 0.0416, which is equal to 3 into 10 exponent 5 into 0.7904, and hence it's equal to 2.37 into 10 exponent 5 joule. As we know that W reversible is smaller than W irreversible, so we can say that Q reversible is greater than Q irreversible because Q is equal to minus W. Now let us see our example number 2. A Carnot engine works between 3 into 10 exponent 2 Kelvin and 4 into 10 exponent 2 Kelvin. Calculate its efficiency. So TH equal 4 into 10 exponent 2 Kelvin and TC equal 3 into 10 exponent 2 Kelvin. Now efficiency equal TH minus TC upon TH is equal to 4 into 10 exponent 2 minus 3 into 10 exponent 2 upon 4 into 10 exponent 2, which is equal to 0.25 by solving it. So hence the next question. According to equipartition principle, the internal energy of n mole of helium gas is 3 by 2 nRT. Find out its Cp and Cp bar value and Cv bar value. Assume that helium behaves ideally. So let us suppose, as it is given that U equal 3 by 2 nRT, so Cv bar is equal to du upon dt from to be equal 3 by 2 nr, and Cp bar is equal to Cv bar plus nr, so it's equal to nr plus 3 by 2 nr, so which is equal to 5 by 2 nr. So these are our two important answers. In example, generally these types of questions someone asks from us, or in interview generally these types of questions asked from us. 1 mole of an ideal gas at 3 into 10 exponent 2 Kelvin and 2 into 10 exponent 6 Pascal pressure is expanded reversibly and isothermally till its pressure is 2 into 10 exponent 5 Pascal. Calculate delta U comma Q and W. So delta U in a solution, delta U for ideal gas is 0. This is general. And now W equal 2.303 nRT log P2 upon P1. So by putting the value of nR and T and log value P2 and P1, we get 2.303 into minus 1 into 8.314 into 3 into 10 exponent 2 into log 2 into 10 exponent 6 2 into 10 exponent 5. So from these values of log we get 6.301 minus 5.301. From here we get minus 2.303 into 8.314 into 3 into 10 exponent 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 5.74 into 10 exponent 4 joule. Now Q is equal to minus W, so we get the value of Q 5.74 into 10 exponent 3 joule. Thank you. I hope you liked this video.